Previously we discussed on how to keep budgies as pets and take care of them. Today we will learn about how to set up their proper cage with minimal requirements. The cage I got is 58 cm in height, 34 cm in length and 34 cm in breadth. The body got 2 layers for the roof. And the base got a sliding plate to clean off the mess. Let's start putting the cage on the plastic base. Now let's put the lower roof. Finally, the upper roof. Now let's put the sliding plate inside the base. Time to add a hideout for the birds. Let's make a doorway for the entrance to the hideout. Earthen pots are also considered good for the females to lay eggs. I already had one pot ready. Now let's tie them to the cage. Be careful to tie the pots tightly to the cage. The pots must be tied at a height. The more higher the pots, the safer the birds feel, as the budgies are tree-dwelling in nature. My cage is almost ready. Time to add some perches. I already had these plastic perches that came with the cage. A hanging swing. Putting newspapers on the sliding plate will be easy for cleaning. Let's put it inside the cage now. Before adding the birds, let's put water and food ready for them. Here comes the cute birds. So this is how we can simply prepare the cage for the budgies. If we buy a ready-made cage, then it's good. Otherwise, we can join the unfold pieces and make the cage too. But most importantly, we must add earthen pots or nest boxes to the cage. Budgies too need some quality time and privacy like us.
Thanks for all your appreciations and support. If you have not subscribed yet, then please hit the like button and subscribe our channel. Till then, be sustainable and be creative.